What is up, everyone? This is More Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete multiple tabs within Gsheet. So let's get right into this. So a lot of folks usually know how to do this in Excel, but even if you don't, and this is something that you only use, which is a Gsheet, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to basically delete all tabs. All you need to do is essentially the tabs at the bottom. Either press the Control button on your keyboard to click into all of them, or you can press the Shift button and kind of drag it across all the tabs that you need to delete. Most likely you want to do the Control one because you're probably trying to delete certain tabs, and then you want to right click into them and press the delete button, and you'll see it'll delete that highlighted number of sheets. Again, you can delete all of them as well, obviously with the exception of the main one, so you can't delete all 1 through 6 because you need to keep 1, but that's essentially how you do it. And yeah, that's basically it. Very quick, very easy to do. You just need to, like I said, either press Control and click one by one, or press Shift to highlight all of them to basically delete what you need to delete. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash it up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that More Tutorials out. Peace.